When the United States Navy needed to increase the size of Dry Dock Number 2 at the Portsmouth Naval Shipyard in order to service a larger class of submarine, Uncle Sam chose Cianbro for the project. Getting the job done right was important not only for the ongoing defense of the nation, but also for modernizing a shipyard that is one of the largest employers in northern New England.
First and foremost, we had to go in and build a cellular cofferdam to dry up the existing dry dock, if you will, take out the existing caisson gate, demolish the granite walls to be replaced with concrete, install numerous rock anchors in preparation for the concrete walls, which was challenging in and of itself in that we had water migration issues through the walls of the dry dock that we had to control before we could complete the anchoring process. This was done through specialty subcontractors that we're aware of that we've brought in to control the water. Our depth of resources and the people that we can draw from the team that we can put together to resolve these issues and maintain schedule was very well received by the Navy.
Cianbro's ability to involve top-of-the-line subcontractors where needed was a key factor in the project's award-winning success. Meanwhile, Cianbro self-performed the predominance of the work on site, including all of the civil, mechanical, and electrical work.
The deadlines that the shipyard faces are the predominant driving force behind all work in the shipyard, and as such we had a very accelerated schedule to meet this first delivery of work that the shipyard would be undertaking, so there was no room on the tail end of the project. Very, very difficult accelerated schedule, and we were able to accomplish the project by assembling a world-class team with using our depth in the quality control side, quality assurance side, our safety efforts, our team of engineers that we had assembled for the job, as well as project management and craft level workforce. We had a workforce working 7 days a week, day and night, to accomplish this, and we also were able to use these talented folks to combine a two-phase project and find a way to build it all in one phase to assure that we could deliver it when the Navy needed it to put it in service.
An example of the critical ingenuity that Cianbro used on the project involved the design and fabrication of the new caisson gate, which allows the shipbuilders to seal off the dry dock and de-water it. The gate requires a tight fit. One complication was that the component was constructed more than 1,000 miles away from the naval shipyard.
So the new gate slots that we constructed had extremely tight tolerances, within 1/8 of an inch in any direction. And we were building this in Kittery, Maine, while at the same time a shipyard in Florida was building this new caisson gate structure. And extremely tight tolerances to assure seal and in both directions. So we had a team of folks that did an as-built, if you will, of the concrete structure in Kittery, as well as an as-built in Florida of the caisson gate, and that was accomplished using our 3D laser scanning systems that we've used on a variety of projects, started up at our Brewer facility, and the laser imaging results that we received allowed us to meet the tolerances first time, no rework, high quality seal. Everybody very, very pleased with the technical expertise that we brought to that effort.
Perhaps the most important statistic of all is that the job was completed with 0 recordable incidents and 0 lost time injuries. The Navy has recognized the Cianbro team with a commendation for the sterling safety record. On a number of levels, the dry dock modernization project will be remembered at Cianbro for years to come.
We met a very aggressive schedule. The Navy was extremely concerned about it, and we delivered it on time and within their budget, and they're extremely satisfied. Very, very complimentary of our efforts, and as such it's led to additional work opportunities down there. We've completed 2 additional projects since we've completed Dry Dock 2, and we're currently on site working on 2 other projects and pursuing more every day. I'm just so proud of the team that we were able to put together. We drew from all across the company, from our civil backgrounds, our mechanical backgrounds, our electrical backgrounds, our depth of our subcontracting pool and vendor pools, just world-class team. This group of folks met challenges every week and knocked them down and kept charging ahead, and they did it with a positive attitude, great safety results. Just couldn't be prouder of the effort put forth by that team.